Good evening everyone, my name is Peter Fairweather and I'm here on behalf of the Nightingale charity having a Spurs Legends Night here at Bush Hill Park Golf Club. We are joined by Ossie Ardiles, a Spurs legend and a World Cup winner with Argentina, by Mark Falco, John Lacy and Micky Hazard. Tonight, following a lovely buffet, we are having a question and answer session and then a auction, a raffle and an opportunity for people to mix and mingle with their legends and have signed memorabilia and an opportunity to share stories. Thank you for your help in raising funds for the charity.
This is Paul Gascoigne's England goal against Scotland in the Euro Championship. Well to remember Anybody else? 320, going once. 320 twice. Done. 320. Well done, mate. Brilliant.
Come on, you Spurs!